Hey, I'm Mike from Music Radio Creative. In this video, I'll show you how to load jingles and sound effects onto your Rodecaster Pro. So here we are with the Rodecaster all set up, and I've got the app on my screen. I'm going to make a screen recording so I can show you exactly how it works. You can download the app from the Rode website and get started easily. So here it is with all the default Rode sounds, and you can replace these really easily. So if I want to replace the top left button on my Rodecaster, I just find a WAV file, an MP3 file, whatever on my computer, drag and drop onto the app, and then transferring, simple as that. Labels it Mike Russell. Again, I can do it with this jingle, drag and drop onto the yellow button, and then right click to rename. So instead of Music Radio, we'll call it MRC. Can change the color as well, red, orange, yellow, green, dark green, whatever color we would like. But the most interesting thing is the playback style and how it affects your push of the button here on the Rodecaster Pro. So if I right click Mike Russell and click replay, this will replay whatever's on there and it will kind of stutter it. So you can do lots of cool stutter effects, but it's going to keep playing the audio till the end. So let me give you an example. Mike Russell. So it's going to keep playing that audio over and over. Great way to stutter, but you can't stop it in replay mode. In play mode, it's going to play the audio until the end, and there's no way you can stop it, like this. Mike Russell! And notice I hit the button a couple of times during the jingle. No way I can stop it. My favorite mode, personally, is latch, as it allows you full control. Pushing the button will start the audio, pushing it again will stop. Mike! Just like that. Mike Russell! So that is brilliant, and that's my favorite mode, as you can have full control. This fader here will control the volume of the audio, so bring it to halfway. Music Radio Creative. And a quieter jingle there. But that is an overview of loading jingles, sound effects, and musics onto your Rodecaster Pro, if musics is indeed a word. Let me know how you get on with this fantastic feature in the comments to this video.